we made today, kids? We made a
Water slide.
a water slide.
Look how big the water slide is.
Whoa. We also have a lot of inflatables for our water slide. Can you name the inflatables?
Yes.
Alright, name them.
This is pineapple, this is crocodile, this is watermelon, this is pizza.
Are you ready to put some soap on the water slide?
Yes.
Let's go! Go!
Spray the water slide.
Now it's my turn to spray the water slide. Pineapple against watermelon. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Yeah! Alright, the pineapple won. Now the pineapple against the crocodile. Ready?
Watermelon gets the pizza.
Ready?
Yes, go!
Hey! Now I'm the crocodile and you're the
Watermelon.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
Okay, who won the race, Jason? Okay, Jason, what are we doing now?
Play soccer.
Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I'm missing the song. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh no!
No!
Yeah, two still!
Oh!
No! Oh no, the crocodile is coming. Go away, crocodile.
Jason has won the match and we're now doing penalties.
Yeah!
3, 2, 1, go!
No.
Oh! Haha!
Oh yeah!
No.
Oh yeah!
No! No!
What? Yeah!
Yeah! I got it!
Oh no!
No!
Say once again, bye bye!